Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious simple hummus. It's good and healthy. So we need some soft-boiled chickpeas. Save some chickpeas water. So here we have a lemon. Then you have to squeeze some lemon juice. Here's the lemon juice. So here is a little clove of garlic. Here is the minced garlic added with salt. Tada! Mince until it is very smooth. Scoop it up. Add the paste to the lemon juice. And then add 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Add half teaspoon of cumin powder or more up to your taste. Add some salt. Add the mixture to the chickpeas. And then blend it smoothly. If too dry, you can add some more chickpeas water. You can do it in a blender if you want. Season to taste. Now the hummus is ready. Oh yeah, that's so satisfying. Just pouring it in. It's like milk pudding. This is super delicious. You should try. 100% recommended.
Healthy and delicious.
This is now my favorite food in the world. Too yummy. I wish there was even more so I can eat more. Because this is just too yummy. So yummy, you can dip fresh carrot, cucumber, bell peppers, or naan bread with it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye.